Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing. Yes, today I'll be showing you how to make black soup. I'm super excited to share with you guys how I made this soup. So this soup is a healthy soup, it's a natural soup. It's a plantain peel soup. So I used plantain peel soup for plantain peel, sorry, for making the soup. So this are the ingredients we'll be using to make this natural black soup. We'll be using vegetable oil, then palm oil. You know, palm oil is tones the skin, it glows the skin rather. Our vitamin E oil, glycerin, then the fragrance oil. So for the plantain peel, it was dried, alright. It was a ripe plantain, then dried. So in the process of drying, it darkens, and after drying, we mill the plantain peels. All right. So there are other methods of making black soup from plantain peel ash. All right. So this one wasn't burnt; it was um blended fresh after sunning it. All right. So this is a light water. So the first thing we'll be doing is to measure our oils. Then our palm oil also. So we're mixing palm oil and vegetable oil together. So this is a very healthy soup to the skin. Alright, so with the combination of these ingredients, have a perfect, supple, healthy and glowing skin. So we are mixing our oils, you add your lye water and continue to give it a stir. As you can see, it has already thickened. So you keep stirring till it blends together. So we'll be adding our vitamin E oil. A glycerin, a fragrance oil, then mix. So we are adding our plantain peel powder. So you continue to add till you achieve the color you want. All right. So you like I said, this is a black soap. So you continue to add the plantain peel powder till you get the desired black color, for your soup. So like I rightly said, hope you guys are seeing a soup. Like I rightly said, this wasn't burnt, so it's not a plantain peel ash. It is a raw plantain peel, the dried plantain peel. So the ripe plantain peel, then it was sun dried, then grounded into powder. So this was what I used. You can also use plantain peel ash. All right. So as you guys can see, our soap is attractive to the eyes. So this is it. It's our soap. This is a natural black soap. Like I said, it tones the skin, it glows the skin. It's very healthy to the skin. Can also take care of skin diseases. So we are done with our soap. We'll be pouring it into a mold. So this is it. It has been poured into the mold. So we leave for 24 hours, then on mold. So this is it after 24 hours. So we are going to unmold our soap. Oh wow, this is our soap. I'll be using this one. I love black soap, so I'll be using this soap. Right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. See you in my next video. Love ya.